Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. My name is Donata Joseph, your virtual skin therapist, here to talk to you about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. Today, we're going to do our detox drink. You guys know I did my detox drink last night around 7 o'clock, so I'm going to get a real good dosage since it's not even a full 14, 15 hours that I'm doing it again. So I am the only one that's continuing this detox journey, so I'm back to 1 cup. The kids had their fair share, and they're like, now that they're juicing, they're having their 1 cup of juice per day. They're skipping the detox. So I made Deanna and myself and Damar some juice, so you can see I had to share. So obviously I didn't make enough. And then this one has watermelon, passion fruit, cucumbers, ginger, turmeric, and I think that's it. And this one is watermelon, ginger, and turmeric. So delicious. Talking about drinking your life in a cup. So amazing. So guys, if you guys didn't see the last live stream where I was on, and one thing that's kind of been bothering me lately is I noticed that I have a shadow under my eyes. Now I notice my face is acting up a little bit. It's crazy how your skin will be on point at some times, and just something little minute and small will throw it off course. So I noticed that today I woke up with some irritation here. And then, of course, the shadows under my eyes, come to find out it's from me being anemic. So I am looking forward to getting my blood levels back on point, so I can see how under my eyes will change. Because I was racking my brain trying to figure out why all of a sudden I'm having this kind of darkness and shadow. It's not dark circles, because dark circles go all the way around. I'm just having these darkness, you can see right here and right here, right under the eye. So it's always great, well, for me, when I share my struggles, because then you guys come on live and say, hey, look into this, look into that. Because there's so many different things that could be affecting your skin that you could be focused on one thing. Like, I know my adrenal fatigue is acting up, which I'm going to do a live stream on adrenal fatigue tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, just to talk about adrenal fatigue, my struggles, my high points with adrenal fatigue, my low points with adrenal fatigue, and share the symptoms. Ever since I posted on Instagram about adrenal fatigue, I've had a few people reach out to me and explain to me their concern, what they've been going through, what they didn't realize that they were struggling with adrenal fatigue, how they can get help, what are the first steps that they need to take. So I'm going to be covering all that tomorrow on live during our Wellness Wednesday, call it Wellness Wednesday live stream tomorrow night. So I'm going to go ahead and do my detox drink quickly. And while I'm doing that, you know that I'm posting my videos on YouTube, so you can watch the beginning of this journey. I think I may live stream till about 60 days. We'll see. Cayenne pepper. Yes, I'm on day 44. Yeah. Lemon. L for lemon. For exfoliation. A for apple cider vinegar, which you know I'm going to take my shot on the side. My stomach is going to be good and ready to go today, because I had a detox drink last night and one now. 12 hours apart? It's going to be good and ready to go. Let me pour a little bit of this and combine the apple cider vinegar. Good morning. Combine the apple cider vinegar. You know apple cider vinegar helps with stimulation. So always drink this drink 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. So as you know, mine irritate the enamel of my teeth, so I take it as a shot. get it out the way. So A for apple cider vinegar, W for water. I have a little bit more water in here today, about maybe 10 ounces. Now for you, S for sweetener, you could put 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey or agave as your sweetener. For me, you know, in place of the sugar, because I'm dealing with parasites, I'm putting half a teaspoon. Well, I'm trying to increase my diatomaceous earth, so it's a little bit more than 1/4 tablespoon that I'm putting on here. And to close it up, we have extra virgin olive oil to help with smooth sensation. So 1 tablespoon of that. And close it up. Actually, this week I should share with you guys what diatomaceous is and what it's good for. So I'll do some research this week and put that together, so I can really have some good information to share with you, because diatomaceous earth is so amazing. So guys, I'm gonna go drink this offline, get my day started, and then after I have this, maybe about an hour later, I'll start drinking my juice, finish this up by the afternoon, and if my son doesn't drink all his, I'll drink some of this because it's so delicious. And I notice when I'm juicing, my energy levels are more stabilized because the juice just gives you so much life. You don't need, if you want to drink coffee in the morning, you don't need the coffee, because the drinks, the detox drink and the juicing gives you so much energy. Especially after your body has detoxed, it actually gets it gets better when it comes to your energy levels. So definitely look into this. That came off the lemon. If you have any questions and you're watching on a replay, you're more than welcome to send me a DM for Instagram, and for Facebook, send me an inbox. Okay, guys? Here's to detoxing. You have a great day. Bye.